Ever heard the one about the chicken who crossed the road? Well, this is not that chicken. This chicken, let's call him Clucky, had a different set of problems. He was stuck in the middle of the road, paralyzed by indecision, unable to decide which direction to take. Sounds familiar? It's a common challenge most people face, decision-making. Now here's the twist. Clucky didn't stay stuck. He developed strategies to overcome his challenges. And so can you. First up, let's talk about indecision, like our friend Clucky. The next time you find yourself stuck, remember the story of Michael Phelps. He wasn't born a swimming legend. He simply made a decision to swim every single day, no matter what, and look where it got him. 23 Olympic gold medals. Next, we have the challenge of self-doubt. Ever felt like you're not good enough? Meet Malala Yousafzai. As a young girl in a society that didn't value her education, she could have drowned in self-doubt. But she chose to believe in herself and stand up for her rights. Today, she's a Nobel laureate and a global advocate for girls' education. Then there's the challenge of fear. Fear of failure, fear of rejection, you name it. But take it from Richard Branson. He started his first business venture at the age of 16, a magazine called Student. Despite numerous setbacks and failures, he overcame his fear and founded the Virgin Group, which controls more than 400 companies. Finally, the challenge of change. Change can be scary, but it's also necessary for growth. Just ask Barack Obama. The son of a Kenyan father and an American mother, he navigated cultural shifts and changes throughout his life, leading him to become the first African-American president of the United States. So, there you have it. 4 common challenges, 4 remarkable individuals, and 4 strategies for overcoming obstacles. Just like Clucky, they didn't let their challenges define them. They pushed through, and so can you. Remember, life is not about waiting for the storm to pass. It's about learning to dance in the rain. So put on your dancing shoes and embrace the challenges that come your way. If you found this video helpful and want more empowering perspectives, don't hesitate. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Be like Clucky, make the decision, take the leap, and let's overcome challenges together.